So GSI's in, engine coming out. There was a little bit of a knock on the bottom end, so I was worried it was going to be the start of a death rattle. So pulling her apart, have a little investigation, get her back together. Yeah, she's not the nicest. I want to change some of those pipes, but that is what was when I bought it. So try and work my way through. Samco hose set. But yeah, let's get her out. Getting there, like subframe.
Stop fine. Engine and gearbox on the floor.
Right, let's get on it. All ready to come out, just gearbox mount, engine mount. And she's ready to go.
Bring it down a bit. You ready?
Yeah.
Still got a while in it.
Well, one wire out of everything. I don't think we've done too badly there then.
Not too bad.
And it was loose. Because I'd already taken one off it.
How's it going? Nearly out, boy, nearly out.
She's loose.
So what?
Trying to add my insurance to the AA before I renew it. Fucking 700 quid.
Fucking arsehole, isn't it? I think we're down, boy. I think we're down.
I think it is.
We're down.
No, don't do that one. Just do this one.
No.
And then we can take it off in a
Oh,
minute.
yeah, okay.
Just get it out quickly before it falls over. Yeah.
Take it away.
Right. I'll take her up in the edge. You want to just stabilise the engine in case she comes.
Well. Yeah, go on. Go on.
So, as you can see, that manifold's being bodged on a bit. The box is looking semi-clean because I've already had that out and rebuilt, painted, but she's looking a bit sorry for herself. Time to get that sorted, eh?
Why don't you take a picture? Why don't you video it? Or you take the engine apart, you dongle? You never do that. You do half a story, you do. Yes.
Because I'm trying to work, mate. But
You
yes.
should have put it up there and you could have videoed the whole situation.
That's the story.
You know what I mean? And now you've got half a story.
Right, anyway, we'll start from now, like. So,
What the story is.
Right, quick.
we've got to pull the part. Yeah, has seen better days, but there's no cracks around the spark plugs, which is a rarity. Colouring looks good. Unfortunately, the bottom end doesn't seem to be quite so happy. It's got a bit of a knock there on the pistons. And
What's that, 3 thou?
Yeah, easy.
They both go easily, didn't they?
mine.
That one actually feels less-
scoring
less
inside of there is
resistance.
not looking good.
I reckon that's where the piston has been stuck, where it's been sat.
I think where
And that's where it's been stuck.
yeah, I think it's
The
sat
others
there
are good.
where
Just
I
that
bought
one.
it off the bloke and he says it's been dry stored for 5 years.
But that's got that on it, but then these 3 have got divots in it, like something's got in there and fucking mashed around in the piston.
Yeah.
But that one hasn't.
But the car's
Which is
ran
weird.
fine
I know.
before taking it off.
Yeah, but how long has it been stood before he actually started it?
I reckon that's
Exactly.
like carbon.
Hmm?
I reckon that's
Oh,
carbon.
and it could be carbon. Bit
A lot of that'll be
carbon's
the
come off.
carbon, but it's those bits there. Hopefully, if I emery them down, like, they shouldn't be too bad. But I think in the
What do you
long
think,
term,
though, if
like,
a wedge of that, if a load of that come
Yeah,
off,
for that come
and
off,
got fucking
it could have-
pressed,
'cause
where
it's
it's been sat
hard.
and then started again.
And the
Yeah.
head's alley anyway, because it's soft. Yeah,
look at that there.
yeah. You should be able to get rid of that with a skim.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, camshafts are looking nice and clean, though, aren't they? They don't look like they've got much wear on them. Those buckets look alright. Don't seem to have much wear on them. The hard case is still there on them.
That'd be alright.
Remember taking out the cams out of the Mini
Mm-hmm.
when Lauren still had it, and the casing had been worn through it, didn't it? She had to get new cams.
Yeah, shows are good.
Spin it over.
Get this all cleaned up, looking nice. So then, Mr. Blake, what's your expert opinion?
Set of rings for now, I reckon. I reckon that rings might do that.
Not looking the best,
I hope
but
I reckon that could be a rattle.
repairable. Hopefully, I hope
I reckon
so.
that's a rattle. I'm not
Well-
sure we're going to find anything wrong with the big ends.
Well, I hope so. Like. Right, let's
Yeah, I'll
get her
check the
upside
fucking-
down. Let's check her over and see what happens.
Well, if you're getting a pin,
Pull the pin out. Oh, is it not even in there? Where's the pin in, Craig?
I just took it out because I was about to turn it over.
too far in anyway, needs to come back out. Well, that must be that way. Put the pin in.
Not towards me.
Yeah.
This is the master at work.
Who? Simon Blake. Oh. No, I thought you were talking about yourself there,
No,
mate.
no, I'm talking about you.
Oh, no,
The master technician here.
no.
No.
But those years in a chop shop back up north east like, came in handy, stripping these engines down in top.
Jack of all trades, master of none, that. Grab a reducer whilst you're there.
He's got the gun out now.
Yeah,
Professional.
now that's knocked off.
Half-inch gun on an M4.
A few moments later.
So you need a 3 years later.
3 years later.
2 moments later.
Lots of moments later.
Wedge, where's the scraper? You got it.
Am I allowed to use this one?
There you
What? That's a fucking carpenter's hammer, you twonk. That's a carpenter's hammer, isn't it? It's not for that. Where's my other one? Jesus, man. You don't use that. That's to put it nails out. Fucking what's the name, isn't it?
I wasn't using the back of the fucker, I was using the front of it.
Yeah, but a ball can't happen. Well, you know, for that. You can use a copper hide on that.
There you go, Craig. Look, new phone holder.
Oh, you got balance shafts in that, haven't you?
Yeah?
You got balance shafts in that. Oh yeah. You got balance shafts in there, boy.
Better get it delete quick like, eh?
What's the matter? Take it off.
No, it's that fucking,
There's a sensor in there. Oh yeah. Get a screwdriver and just flick the clip off. Screwdriver so it gets the pipe off.
I'm used to using heavy duty tools, mate.
Ah, I see.
Yeah,
Oh, you got
ask the
heavy
missus, she'll tell you.
Oh yeah. Put the clip with it. Yeah, you got the cradle in there. That's the trouble. You got strengthening frame in there, ain't there?
Yeah, but what I mean is when you get the delete right, you get rid of all of that, right? You get a cradle that goes in here, it deletes all of that. And then on top of a couple of these, you've got like little gudgeon screws that go in it, like to block off where the oil feed is to this.
I wouldn't bother with this one.
No, fuck it, mate.
Right, when you take them off, right, they must be at the same place because they're a fractured joint.
Yeah. So the way one piece of the hole drilled in it, then they cut them in half.
No, they fucking freeze them and they crack them.
What do you reckon, Ben?
You're the engineer on that sort of side of it.
Right, the marks are at the front.
That was rough as arseholes.
Yeah? And that's still got the fucking shell on there.
They're not fractured. They're not fractured, are they? They've only got a rough surface to it. Put that in the shell. Oh, bad boy.
Yeah, that's not good.
That's gone. Which way around was it?
Well,
only
it's
go
matter,
one
because
way
it's got a
anyway.
fucking marker on this one.
Put it in there then.
Yeah.
Someone clip the piston. Fuck me. Put that at the bottom then. Got it?
Yeah, go on.
Where's me? Show me my hammer, Craig. See, hammer grabbing, Craig.
Fucking run up. There you go.
Today, Craig has learned we've used 3 different sorts of hammer on one engine.
Yeah, but I probably haven't listened to any of them.
Coming out.
Yeah, go on.
Got it? Right, that's the front. Hang on.
Yeah, Simon, I can feel it without even looking. Fuck me, look at that.
What? Ow. That's bad. Show the camera.
Look, kids.
Look, kids.
This is not how to. That's the 4th one.
Hang on.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Ooh.
That's your problem then.
Yep. Bottom it. Ooh, look at that one, Simon. That's even worse.
Wow.
Like.
That's actually
Mate.
fallen through that one.
Mate, that one shit itself completely.
I'm missing the shell.
Get your money's worth out of them.
Told you it was good.
Big time. That's fucking good.
Mate, look at that one.
It's actually fallen through that one.
Exactly, yeah. That one's
That's about
totally
half the
done.
thickness in the
Oh
middle.
my god.
Yeah. I can't believe the crank's actually in such a good
That's not a
condition.
shell, that's a shim now.
yeah.
I was gonna say, fuck me.
Mm.
First thing, well, fucking. I'll put that in there. Let's do well.
Yeah, you've got cleaner hands than me. Crack these ones off the all 4 of them, like, and I'll do the oily bits.
Oily bit. I like oily bit.
Yes, sir.
That is done.
Yeah, that one's
That
seen,
is done.
that has seen way better days.
What's the gudgeon pin like? After moving. Body's just weighing out the fucking gun. I don't feel slack in the when you hold the top and then hold the bottom.
That one seems alright. Well, did until I dropped it in the engine. That is number 2.
That's number fucking 3.
Hey,
It's number 3 you're taking out there.
I thought that was 1. That
One?
was 4.
Yeah?
I've just taken 2.
Oh, right.
That's
Oh, right.
3.
okay, yeah.
That's off 2.
Well, 2's alright.
Yeah, it actually is. Give it a knock.
Shells ain't great either, are they?
Yeah, that one's fucking. Top one on that one's fucking.
That was
mint.
beautiful.
Right. Come pop hold this a minute. Grab spin around and get the other one out. Was that it?
That's it. Yeah, this one's dog shit as well.
Fuck me, man. That one's even worse.
No, this one's not that bad.
Ford number 4 is bad. I wonder where that's.
Soon, Simon. In your professional opinion, do you reckon I caught it at the right time?
No, probably so, yeah.
That's four.
It's like number 3 you just took off.
Yeah, Ben. Did the oil come off first side?
What?
Did the oil come off before I started undoing these?
Why are you taking it out?
Alright, okay.
Why are you turning the crankshaft? Are you saying let's inspect it first?
No, fair enough. I just thought maybe the other shells might have been on their way as well.
But possibly. Yeah, big ends are done. Big ends are done.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's certainly got hot in there.
Let's look at.
I was just blasting all them just to clean
Yeah,
up,
bit
didn't I? What do you reckon, like? Do you reckon that's, how did you feel them when we nail? You can you? Think so? Put your eyes.
Hard to say, isn't it?
Well, the thing is though, it doesn't look that bad,
It doesn't
but
look that
there is wear on it, isn't there?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? There's no, you can see the state of those little shells out, they're absolutely trash.
They are.
So what, regrind?
I don't know. Ben's probably the better one. Got a funny colour to it. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Trouble is, had those shells spun round, I would say, that's spun on that one.
I don't know if they're
That one.
spun round because they're retained because they've got a
What
little
do you
thing
think,
on
Ben?
it.
Look. Think you get away with that?
You see if there is, you can't feel it.
I'd feel if I could feel something.
Problem is though, if you put new shells into that like, is it just going to create...
It will just bite and spin again.
That's what I mean, yeah.
It's not as bad as I thought it'd be, but
No, it's not.
looking at the shells,
But I could hear it and I knew that it was coming, so that's why I've took it off the road.
I think it ain't too bad, to be fair.
Well, you're not catching it with that, are you not? Do you not want like a bit of well, little screwdriver.
No.
I think that's alright.
I don't really want a screwdriver on metal and scratch
Depends
it.
what.
Yeah.
It depends though, because that one's not that bad, but then these ones might be worse.
That one.
That's the problem if it's over 50% fucked.
That one looks bad.
That one I can feel it. It's like a washboard.
Is it?
Yeah. That's like a washboard. Yeah, those two feel the same.
And then these ones have got wear on them, but they're not really noticeable on that.
Trouble is, number 4.
That is in the middle. There's a
Number
peak,
four
there's a
is
peak
the
in the middle of
worst,
that.
isn't it?
There, well that is. I can feel it there. So yeah.
Oh, I suppose you better take the crank out and look at the mains.
Yeah. Look at that, and then that'll be your deciding fucking. Well, I don't like the feel. I don't like the feel of those two middle.
No.
No, that one and that one.
Makes sense because they're the two that I actually wank.
Yeah.
So,
I'm sure I can feel that with my nail.
yeah. It's just like it's almost.
It's
like
only
you're
slight. It's
against
only
something.
very slight.
Crack more than that.
But
Not as bad as the big ends,
Nah,
but
not as bad as the big
they're
ends,
starting
but-
to go. If you have a look on the crank, like you'll see the scorch mark. See where that gap is in
Yeah.
the shell? Go and have a look at the crank.
oh yeah.
See a bit of discoloration.
Yeah, I know you're right. 'Cause there's nothing running on that, is there? Yeah, I reckon they'll be alright. You get away with a set of shells.
You reckon?
For
But
that.
what about the big ends?
I think the big ends might need.
So if that's the case,
The only thing I saw was that one. This discoloration between that one and that one.
Oh yeah.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
Those three are the same, but that one seems to be more worn in the middle, which makes sense with that shell.
Where'd you go and get the recrank?
Go on then, Rob. Give her a little fucking squirt for old time's sake. You're gonna miss that though, aren't you? She sounds a beast.
I just come up to that roundabout just down the road, and I was doing, I don't know, just took me from.
You mean 73, yeah? 75?
Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah.
Busy day, like, yeah? Track proven this one, though.